Kirby Gwen, and you know every day on the show, we love to celebrate some of our community associates from all across the company. Today is no different. We start off with next up, celebrating 25 years, we have the Fans Club 47 and 45 in Colorado. That's where Maria Anderson. A big shout out to Diane from Walmart 262. And finally, in South Carolina at Walmart 265, we shout out Leroy, who celebrates 35 years with the team. If you see any of these great associates, you should wish them a very happy work anniversary this month. And of course, do not forget to follow us for more celebrations